Hey guys, it's Seth Ham here. Want some more Minecraft? Yes, it's been a day-ish. Okay. Back to where we left off. Okay, load. I'm sorry, Jack. My dog is in a cage right now because he... Alright. Did the farm save? Yes, it's saved. Okay. So the last time we left off, he made a vine farm. I actually figured out a better way to do one of these. I'm like, gosh, I probably shouldn't make another one, so I'll do that later. Here's player's DJ booth. I don't know why I made DJ booth. I'll just keep it at that. And the weird thing about these videos is that I have no idea what I'm going to build, but right when I'm about to build it. And usually I just look around blocks to see what I can make it. You know, I feel like making something out of here because it's just kind of a lone land now, is it? This is kind of, I don't know, it might be a boring episode. Oh no, I don't want that. Ooh, I'm thinking about something. Jack, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jack. I can't let you out. I can't. Like, I could, but I can't because my dad says not to. Alright, my friend sent me a message. I'm not gonna look at it now because I'm in the middle of a video. Gosh darn it, Luke. Let's see, I made a diner, I made a castle, I made too many houses, a treehouse storage. Ooh, I thought of something really good. This is gonna be cool. You know what, it's gonna be over here. Yep. I'm gonna make a pool. Yes, I'm gonna make a pool. Sure, it might sound stupid, like the vine farm. I'm making a pool. 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 Make a big pool. Making a 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 pool. Oh, we don't want to know that now, don't we? What if I had to put some ore in there and say it was mineral water? Ooh. No, I sound stupid. Alright, well, I guess starting off like every other episode, we start off like, digging like a maniac. You know what? Hold up. Let me see if this works better than last time. Where's it at? Is that better? That's kind of less better-ish. Let me see if I can fix the problem. Alright guys, well I couldn't find a solution to our problem. So that is as light as it'll get. So if it appears a little black up top, I am sorry for that. Well, at least it's day now, and it's highly gonna be not like that anymore. Alright. Just digging my way. Trying to make a pool. Like everyone's already made one. I might as well do one too. Let's see. I need a water bucket. There we go. I cleared some of the weeds. That cleared out most of the weeds. Wow. Break. Alright, it's gonna be like a community pool. Let's see here. Can ladders go in the water? Let me check. Let me do it to this river over here. Wow, you can. Okay, that's good. That's good news. Oh, now my dog is sleeping, so I have to commentate a bit quieter. Weed. I hate these weeds. These grass blocks. Alright. Should we... What should we make it out of? Lapis? Why not? Maybe lapis and cobble. Ooh. That's kind of sketchy though. Lapis and cobble? See how it looks at the end. I don't know, just... Looks pretty neat. Oh, by the way, guys, this time I do not have player, so there will be no interruptions. At least until I turn off notifications. Then at the time, it'll be great. And guys, sorry for the half-hour special being so poopy in quality. I thought since it gave me so much time, I had it in my fair advantage. But apparently it just made my quality very, very bad. And I do not like very bad quality. It's already halfway done. Oh my gosh, Luke. You know what? Let's invite him, shall we? Let's invite Luke. Hey, Luke. Hold on, let my audience hear you. I'm recording right now. Hey. Now my audience, now my viewers can hear you. Hello.
Hello.
Hey guys, so you remember Luke from our half-hour special?
Yeah. I had to go to sleep again today.
Do you want to come to my world? I'm kind of busy.
Yeah, sure. You can invite me. Are you going to Skyblock again?
Yeah, no, it's not Skyblock. It's not Skyblock.
Okay.
Fight the game. Alright.
Lukey. Yay, Lukey gets to be right in the game. Oh, I've been on this one before.
Yeah, no. I've added some stuff.
This is the castle? What?
Do you remember that little shack you had that's right next to the castle? I improved it. I improved it for you.
Thanks. Looks way cooler.
It just went from main server build to Pimp My Minecraft right now.
Yeah. Hopefully another creeper. Hopefully creeper doesn't look hated that.
Wait, look in the center of those two furnaces. Yeah, where'd you go? Do you see a chest? I said look in between them.
That's a straight bookshelf.
Just look straight in between. Just look in the line between the first furnace and the second furnace.
Oh, whoa, that's weird.
I know, right? It's a minecart chest.
How did I get this enchanted armor? I never enchanted anything.
Yeah, you did. Liar. My dog is so cute. He's just sitting there in the corner. I'll show you guys that at the end of the video. So yeah, you guys remember Luke. You guys remember him. I know you do. Probably watched the Half Hour special.
I don't remember him. You know.
Me and him actually know each other in real life.
Yeah, we met in like 5th grade, even though we're going into 6th grade.
Different schools. He lives in where now?
Delaware.
Delaware. I live in Michigan.
Michigan? Oh, you moved? Oh,
yeah, I told you.
I forgot. That will be. You stay in this house.
I'm making a pool.
Come here, Wolf. Come here, Wolf. Come on. I named you Josie because that's my dog's name. I didn't realize that's my dog's name. I named you Josie. She's the beautiful baby. Okay, get out of here. What do I have a lava bucket?
You wanted to put it in a furnace.
Oh, okay. What is this?
Oh, what is what?
This weird floating thing.
Floating?
See, what's that stand for?
Oh, that means Cloud Cafe. It's my cafe that's in the clouds. There's a little menu there. Please don't take anything from the chest.
That's really cool. Remember it. It didn't have pink out of I wonder who's gonna take this house.
It was your house before. You were trying to make this your house. But then you made that house near the castle. Your mic is laggy. Unplug your mics and plug it back in, because your mic is lagging like heck. I didn't tell him to leave the party. Oh my god. Wow, good job, Luke. Oh. Oh, you did. Oh. Oh. Okay then. That was kind of awkward. What happened there?
I don't know. You liked having my party. Oh, crap. Oh, I almost fell. Lapis, yay. Lapis lazuli. I like making my pools out of lapis.
Yeah, it just makes
lapis
sense.
Lapis and iron is how I make my pools.
I'm making mine out of lapis and cobble.
What's this place right here on a tree? Whoa, random lag.
That's my treehouse storage.
Yeah, everything like
You're on the steps. You just opened the door. You're inside. You just opened the chest. You just closed it.
Hey. You don't need to stalk me 24/7.
Yes, I do. I'm Deadpool. I stalk the ladies.
No.
Wait, does Deadpool stalk ladies? I don't know. I'm assuming.
I'm going into the cafe.
Alright, just don't take anything from the chest. And if you do, then replace it.
Okay. YouTube book.
Here's the water. Now here's the worst part about the pool.
In a minute. Yeah. No, don't run me. Whee. Hey, everybody. I have a cake.
Oh my gosh, it's your birthday.
Yay, birthday. Yes. Hey, Seth, man.
What's up?
The video going to be called?
Server building episode 2.
Okay.
Versus player, now it's you. 2 people from Skyblock Sadness, everyone.
Yeah, I was in number 2. Yeah.
By the way, that's what I named my my Skyblock. My Skyblock. Yeah, it's called Skyblock Sadness.
The first one.
Oh.
It was a very fail episode. What's in my chest? Nothing. Yay, no, I can put stuff in there. Why do I put her? That's all I'm wondering.
don't know.
I have a butter hoe.
Who doesn't?
For my furnace.
Who doesn't have one?
See, look at this. Look at this.
Look at what? Where you at?
I'm in my house. I'm showing my friend something. He just woke up.
Tell him that I pimped it out for you.
Yeah, he pimped mine out. Please help. It used to be this ugly cabin. Now it's this beautiful. Pimp my right out.
It's pimped your Minecraft.
Yeah, pimp my Minecraft. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, don't like through the door. I locked you in. Oh.
Not too bad they're wood doors.
I'm gonna lock you in the station.
Alright, so I'm guessing you're not really lagging that much anymore.
No, I'm still lagging. Takes a little bit to get in chests. Let me get my lava bucket. Lava bucket. Oh. Yeah, Mom, we're going back to the beach today.
Why are you talking to your mom?
Not talking to my mom.
Oh.
Probably not with you. Talking to my friend. There's a New York.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
No, he can't hear you because I don't have Connect.
You don't need to have Connect.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that. Lol, 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 lol.
Yeah, that was him.
I know how he can hear me without using a Connect.
Turn up the TV.
No. Hold up. Go to your Xbox guide, or press the X button on your. Go to settings.
No, I've been there.
Go to preferences. Go to voice. Then go to play through both.
Okay. Whoa, there's a portal. Should I go in?
Can your friend hear me now? Can your friend hear me now?
No. Yes. 1 second.
Go to the Xbox guide. Go to preferences. Go to voice. Go to play through both.
Preferences.
It's on the settings part.
Which one do I do? I have online status notifications. Voice.
Okay. Voice.
Play through both?
Yes. Now your friend should hear me.
Alright, do you want me to put them on? Why do I... Is this mine? No.
No, like your friend can hear me. Can you hear me through your speakers?
Hey, go. You hear him?
Can you hear me? Hello.
I can hear you no better.
Hey, I can hear him.
Oh, it's probably because he's not like signed in fully. You're gonna have to be a guest, okay?
You talking to your friend or me?
Yes. You.
Why me?
You have to be a guest, Seth. Okay. Alright, I'm going to have to leave the game for a second. Hey, not yet. Okay. Wait. Try it. Try. You can't be that one. Yeah, you can be that one. Oh, never mind. Alright, we're going to have to leave the game. I'll be right back into the game.
Alright, I guess he'll BRB.
Okay, and... Shut it. No, invite me.
Wait, okay.
Alright.
Well, I'm actually done with my pool.
Okay. Now, you press A. There you go.
Is that snipe the doors or what?
No, it's just the guest.
Okay. Oh, and by the way, make sure your
His real
friend,
name is,
make sure he
his
doesn't
real
blow
name's
anything up.
Dr. Interdis. Alright, Colt, no grieving.
Oh, that's Doctor. Okay.
Dr.
Why isn't he
Interdis.
Why isn't he signed up in Doctor and TARDIS?
Because he's at my house. He's over by the music place.
All right, guys.
And
Well,
Portal.
that will be the end of my video. So hello.
Later, guys. Wish me luck on my new account. I'll get it on September 11th.
Hello there. All right. Guys. I'm gonna do off with my dog sleeping in a cage. Isn't that just the most adorable thing in the world? See you guys later.